Picture yourself 10, 20, even 30 years from today. Will your mind still be active and alert? Will you have the energy and vitality to enjoy your leisure interests and romantic activities? Imagine what it would be like if you could stop, even turn back the clock. Starting today, you can. Introducing Lux Spa, the new health and fitness revolution that combines an aerobic workout with deep cleansing for detoxifying your entire body. This is the miracle approach to health and fitness you've been looking for. The secret? BioSpectrum far infrared heaters that match the healthy energy rays of the sun to the human body. Do not be confused with those old-fashioned, very expensive, and very hot rock or steam saunas. The Lux Spa heats just your body, not the wood, not the air. Lux Spa pulls out the toxins and melts away fat. It's like taking a shower from the inside out. It's simple. When you eliminate acids from your body, you eliminate fat. Lux Spa is like having a complete home spa where you get free daily facials and a fat-burning workout without leaving the home. After your first session, tighter, younger-looking skin, fine lines, scars, and acne become less visible. Cellulite begins to disappear before your eyes. And if you suffer arthritis, back or neck pain, or sciatica, wow! You'll love using Lux Spa. Hey, if you're looking and feeling younger every day, imagine 5, 10, or 20 years from now. It's small enough to fit in any room. It costs less than 10 cents a day to run. No longer will you pay $35 to $100 to use a Lux Spa in high-end spas, health clubs, or deluxe suites in hotels. The Lux Spa comes with easy 4-step assembly which anyone can complete in about 30 minutes. Easily control the time and temperature and breathe healthy oxygen with the built-in ionizer. This is the most valuable investment you will ever make. Hurry, call right now and we'll send you this free information kit, brochure, and DVD with the free book, Painless Detox, plus details of all Lux Spa models. Own one for less than the cost of a cup of coffee a day. Call 800-717-2862 or go to www.tvsauna.com. Try the Lux Spa in the privacy of your own home for our 90-day risk-free trial. If you don't agree it's the fastest and easiest way to get in shape, simply return it. But we know you'll love it. And listen to this. Be among the first 100 callers and you'll receive a free TheraPad, a $300 value. Take the same infrared healing and pain-relieving therapy with you wherever you go, and we'll send you a sample bottle of the best detox supplement on the planet, Z-Charge, a $49 value free just for calling. Call now so you can use the Lux Spa in your own home for 90 days risk-free. And if you call now, you'll also receive the TheraPad and the Z-Charge free. If you're not happy, return the sauna, no questions asked, and these gifts are yours to keep. Don't delay. Act fast while quantity